everyone, welcome back to another tutorial on my tutorial series on Bulma CSS Framework, and this is the third video, and I'll be talking about how we can use helper classes related to the viewport, and with which you can directly control your classes, control the display of your elements. And this is where the fun part kicks in, because you're now able to work with the responsiveness. You can decide how the elements on your screen will be visible according to which device you're using, whether it be a tablet, a desktop, or a full screen monitor. So let's quickly check out how you can do that. So let's get started. Anyways, pull up JS Fiddle or any other text editor and start working along with me so that you can, as usual, have a practical experience. So let's get started. Over here on the screen you can see that there are three lines. So we have lorem ipsum, and then facilis, and nulla nihil. So irrespective of whatever these lines are, they are right now displaying in a block view. So what block view means is that the each element lies below the other, or what you can say is that each element leaves a line break after it is represented. So let's get started. So what we can do over here is that once I enter the console mode, so let's see what happens. So over here you have Nexus 5X. So let's check out iPad. So as you can see that even in iPad you have the same kind of display. So you can change this according to which device you're using. So let me show how quickly. So we have some certain classes. So these are the display modes, which are flex, inline, block, inline, block. And also you have flex, inline. All these are just three classes, so you can use them. So sorry, they're not classes, but they are display modes. And also you can hide elements based on the device you're using. I'll show that in a minute. So first what I would like to do is that I'll give a class saying is block desktop only, and is inline for mobile, or let's say touch. So touch devices are those devices which are controlled using touch. So that's a big no-brainer. So anyways, so as you can see over here, finally these lines have gotten into the inline mode. So as you can see, we have one line after another without a line break. So let me hit F12 and see. So alright, so as you can see, when I hit F12 I enter the desktop mode, and in the desktop mode you can see that each line is occupying its own line space, and it is giving a line break after it is represented. So this is how you can toggle the display modes of your website according to which device you're using. Similarly, you can use is inline for block, or is inline for widescreen, is inline for tablets only. So all this can be found out on the documentation if you want to know how these things work. But anyways, I'll directly tell you. So mobile is the shortest one. So mobile is the smallest viewport. So if you give mobile, it means that up to about 768 pixels of viewport, which is VW, the width of it, you can display your elements the way you want them to. And after that, tablets will be a bit more than mobile. So you can say tablet only for only tablets, or you can say tablet for anything which is tablet and bigger than that. So you can say desktop only for just desktops within a specified range. But if you give desktop like this over here, it will so if you give it just desktop, it will also function on full screen, widescreen ones. So you can say only desktop only for it to act in a specified range. So anyways, you can do the same thing by giving a by playing around with hidden mode as well. So hidden is another display mode. So as you can see, if I refresh this, nothing is happening. So let's see what's going on over here. Alright, so as you can see, when I give it is hidden desktop, it is disappearing. But if I give it an F12, let's see what happens. Alright, so as you can see, it is perfectly visible over here in the iPad version. So similarly, you can hide it or show it according to the device that you're using, and this is very useful when it comes to responsive web design. So that's it guys for this video. So go ahead and play around with your newfound knowledge, and also subscribe and share my videos so that everyone else can learn as well. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.